In this video, I'm going to show you how you could fix Deepseek server is busy error. Um, I don't have the error right now, but if you have it, these are the things you could do. First thing you could do, you delete all of your recent history, like AI prompt history, that you don't need anymore. So I don't need this. Delete it. See if delete all of the things that you don't need, and then see if that fixes it. Next you could do, go to cookies and site data, go to manage on-site data, on device site data, delete all this, delete all, don't delete these two because these are ones that will sign you in, but delete all of data from the site you're visiting. Okay, done. Reload, sign in again. Boom, and see if that fixes it, because that will literally reset Deepseek AI. Next, you want to see if the servers are okay or not. Deepseek service. So as you can see, major outage, 1 hour 32 minutes. If it looks like this, that means the servers are out and it will probably not work. But if it's green like this, or maybe even yellow like this, then it might work and it might not. But if it's green, it will work like for sure. And that means you just have to fix something yourself. And that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.